Hey there, Mickey and Trevor here from the training team, and we're here today to talk about some great new products. We're talking about the Tyson precision cooked sous vide chicken items, and precision cooked is going to be the name of this new line of products. So Trevor's going to walk us through what we've got to look at here today.
Absolutely, really excited about this product. We have a 4-ounce, 6 per bag precision cooked chicken breast. We also have a 2-pound package of chicken thighs, and as well a 3-pound package of ready to pull chicken thighs.
And those are cooked a little bit longer, again in their own natural juices. So even if you see a little liquid in the bag and it looks a little pink, it's still fully cooked, so feel great about that. Now talk about these ready to pull guys.
Yeah, so with the ready to pull, remember these are fully cooked in the bag. These are meant to be pulled out. They come out of the bag. So as you can see, we're gonna take these products here, they just kind of shred apart. Perfect, add a little barbecue sauce, make a salad out of it. So when sous videing, it doesn't add a lot of color to the product, to the finished product. So with the chicken breast, what we're gonna do is we're gonna just sear it off in the saute pan real quick, get some nice Maillard reactions on it, nice brown action. So we have the pan going here, a little bit of oil in it. All right, as you can see, we have some nice browning color on our chicken breast here. I'm gonna add a little bit of peppers and onions to it here. Throw it on a nice brioche bun. We have a nice sandwich.
That's a great way to finish things to order. And let's remember, these products are all natural, no antibiotics ever, and farm raised here in the US.
And you know, as a chef, my favorite thing, easy to use, saves on labor, it's ready to go.
No waste,
no
perfect.
Waste.
Okay, so in addition, we've done some other applications. Here with the thighs?
Absolutely, we have a chicken lettuce wrap, Thai flavorings, peanut sauce, sesame seeds. Then with the ready to pull, we have barbecue sliders and Mickey's favorite,
curry chicken salad with walnuts and raisins and craisins and everything else.
Absolutely.
Great. So easy to use, precision cooked. We are ready to go with the new products.
And I'm ready to eat the lettuce wraps.
Nice, let's do it.